Force 1. Stadium Green 2025 colorway. Ari's notorious Menthol Air Force 1 bootleg from the 2000s is evocative of this Stadium Green colorway. The remainder of the top is made of suede paneling, with the toe box and quarter appearing in leather. The soles of some AF1 colorways are brown gum, but the only obvious skate-minded element here are the thick flat laces. Although the Air Force 1 leader hasn't been formally shown by Nike yet, it appears to be more of a sneaker with skate aesthetic influences than anything else. Furthermore, there are no distinguishing features that highlight skate-minded tooling modifications, and it appears to be your typical pair of forces. In light of the model's impending summer 2025 launch, which suggests an April to June release window, we're hoping for some clarification. See the official look of the Stadium Green Air Force 1. The sneaker will retail for $120 and is scheduled for sale in the summer of 2025.